Hello people, this video is to show you how to get started on Temsta.com. You have an opportunity to host your website free of charge for 30 days. How do you go about it? Follow me and let me show you the way. Head on straight to Temsta.com. Temsta.com. On the home page, you see 30 days free trial. Click on it, you'll be taken to the next page where you have to choose a domain. If you are buying a domain, that means you want to register a new domain. Put in your unique domain name, check whether it's still available, and if it is available, you add to cart. If you want to transfer your domain, there's an option there for that. If you want to use your existing domain name, that also is possible. So select your option and continue. On the next page, you will see a free starter pack where you have opportunity to use one free of charge. Take a look. If you're happy with that, click continue. Now on the next page, here you have to check out at no cost. You see the price is $0. That's if you are not buying a domain. If you are buying a domain, the domain name will be included. Then you have to fill in the registration form. It's very important for you to fill this form so that we can process your order. You see, the account security is very important point because that is the password you will need to log in to your account. Please make sure you remember this password and make it a strong one. Okay, when you are through with that, click complete orders. So from here you have your order completed. You will receive email, you receive some information via emails, and now the process of setting up your website can start. If you have the competence, you know how to set it up. Good. Please go ahead and run it. If you need that support at this stage, please don't hesitate to contact us through our numerous channels. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so now, because we have many tips and guides that will help you along the way.